Welcome back, friends. Today I'm just going to walk you through this delicious and very easy chocolate coconut macaroon recipe. You start out by separating 5 eggs. You're going to beat those egg whites with a teaspoon of salt on high speed in a stand mixer or with an electric hand mixer until they form stiff peaks. To your egg whites, you are going to add 2 14-ounce bags of shredded coconut, a cup and a half of sweetened condensed milk, and a teaspoon of vanilla, and then use a rubber spatula to gently fold that all together. You don't want to stir, you just want to fold this real gently. You want it to be nice and fluffy. Then you're going to add a cup and a half of semi-sweet chocolate chips. These are the mini chocolate chips, so you're just getting a little piece of chocolate with your coconut cookie. Then scoop those out into about 1-inch balls. Now you'll preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. And while those are baking, you're going to add about 8 ounces of semi-sweet Ghirardelli chocolate chips to a small bowl over a double boiler or in the microwave and melt them with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. And then you're going to dip your coconut macaroons into this and then chill and enjoy. These are the most delicious dark chocolate coconut macaroons, and Santa will love them. Merry Christmas. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and we'll see you next time.